Ever wondered how your tiny newborn transforms into a walking, babbling explorer in just 1 year? The secrets of infant development are truly mind-blowing. Get ready to witness the incredible journey from reflexes to first steps and unlock your baby's potential. We start at the very beginning with those amazing newborn reflexes. These are survival tools built in from day one. Watch how they help babies feed and connect with their world. Then we see the gradual mastery of head control, leading to rolling over, a huge step in their physical development. Next, we see babies sitting up, gaining a new perspective on their surroundings. Crawling follows, a crucial step for coordination and exploration. And finally, the moment every parent waits for, those precious first steps. We'll show you how this incredible journey unfolds. It's not just about physical growth. Babies are also rapidly developing their minds. They learn to recognize faces, understand object permanence, and start communicating with cooing and babbling, leading to those magical first words like mama and dada. Remember, a stimulating environment is key. Talking, singing, playing, and creating a safe space helps babies reach their full potential. Every interaction counts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a community of supportive parents. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider for any concerns about your child's development. I am not a doctor.